To log in TikTok using QR code, open browser and type TikTok and open tiktok.com official TikTok website. Here click on login and select use QR code, and here you get a QR code. Now let's jump into our smartphone. On your smartphone, open the TikTok app, go to your profile. From your TikTok profile, just tap this share at the top right corner, and here tap this scan QR code icon at the top right corner and allow permission. And now scan this QR code from your mobile phone, and it may take some moments to connect your TikTok account through QR code. As you can see, QR code scanned. Now tap on login on your phone. We can see I've successfully logged into my TikTok account using QR code. So that's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.